Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable my teachers, respected judges, and my beloved friends. Let us give our praise and gratitude to God, for it's by His grace that we can gather here in Else Academic Championship in good health, happiness, and enthusiasm. First of all, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Alfred Firdaus. I'm from Ibrahimi Senior High School. It's an honor for me to stand for today to deliver this speech. I hope what I share can be useful and inspires us. Ladies and gentlemen, every person has a dream. Some want to be doctors, teachers, or leaders of the nation. But today, I would like to share with you the what I dream of in 20 years. 20 years from now, I imagine a world that is peaceful, intelligent, and sustainable. A world where technology not only makes human life easier, but also protect our planet. A world where there is no longer a huge gap between the rich and the poor, and where every child, no matter where they are born, has the same chance to learn, dream, and succeed. My dear friends, in that world, I dream of becoming a successful entrepreneur who brings positive change. I want to build a business that doesn't only seek profit, but also give benefits to others, helping communities, creating job opportunities, and caring for the environment. The respected judges and my beloved friends, to become a successful entrepreneur, I believe we need to first learn and understand. Second, be brave to try and fail. Third, be creative and innovative. Fourth, work hard and stay disciplined. And fifth, be ethical and caring. My beloved friends, I believe that the future we dream of will not simply come to us. It must be created through hard work, prayer, and the courage to fail. Because through failure, we learn the meaning of patience, perseverance, and determination. As my teachers once said, don't wait for opportunities to come. Create them with your own effort and determination. Ladies and gentlemen, 20 years may sound like a long time, but time passes quickly. Every small step we take today, studying hard, doing good deeds, and daring to dream, will shape the world we live in tomorrow. I truly believe that if we all share the same spirit to improve ourselves and our surroundings, then 20 years from now, the world will become a better place, full of peace, progress, and hope for everyone. That's all for me about my dream of in 20 years. I'm Alfred Daus. Thank you for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.